How to trade the Ichimoku cloud like a pro. And how much profit can I make with a $100 account? Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel. Here, we test your trading strategies and indicators 100 times. All the content on this channel is practical and we try to avoid diving into theories that could be found everywhere these days. We only focus on practical experiences and action learning. We have started a new series recently where we do some live Forex trading. It is an opportunity to learn from a full-time trader how to analyze the market, entering a trade and closing it with some profit hopefully. Today we will be testing the Ichimoku cloud trading strategy, which is one of the most popular trading strategies. And I have a little surprise at the end of the video. Feel free to leave a comment with your favorite strategy that you want us to backtest or even trade it live. This channel is growing every day thanks to your support and it motivates me to make more content to help new traders. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any new video, and leave us a thumbs up which will encourage us making more trading strategies content. Let's get started.
The Ichimoku cloud is probably one of the most wanted strategies that our subscribers requested me to test in the comments section. In today's video, I will share with you a simple strategy that leverages this indicator as per your request. Feel free to leave a comment with the trading strategy you want me to backtest next. I will first define the strategy, backtest it 100 times with a $100 account, then at the end of the video, I will share with you the results of the test and a surprise that you will definitely like, so stay tuned. Well, speaking about likes, feel free to give us a thumbs up to help this channel grow bigger and encourage us to make more trading strategy testing videos. The Ichimoku cloud is a combination of technical indicators that show the momentum, the direction of the trend as well as the support and resistance levels. The indicator leverages various elements and plots them on one chart in a meaningful interpretation. The indicator might be complicated for most of the new traders, and the experienced traders tend to disable some of the extra elements that the Ichimoku cloud indicator comes up with. In this video we are going to make life easier and simply trade this indicator with the most necessary elements. We will backtest a strategy 100 times as usual with 5 different Forex pairs that most of us use. We won't use any analysis of fundamentals as well as the key levels which we used on the 2 first episodes of our live trading videos that we have made recently. But first let's adjust the settings of the Ichimoku cloud. We will hide all the elements that we won't be using today. The only thing we will keep is the cloud. Let me know if you want me to make a video explaining all the elements of the Ichimoku default indicator. It doesn't mean that the elements we disabled just now are not useful, but they just don't fit into our strategy today. As the chart has a limited space, when it is saturated with different indicators, graphical representations and figures, there will be a lot of key information that might be missed due to the noise. Besides the Ichimoku cloud, we will use 2 exponential moving averages, 50 and 100 periods EMA. The 2 EMA lines will help us identify the entry point. You can add the regular indicator on TradingView, but personally I like to use an indicator called Moving Average Cross Alert by ChartArt. This indicator allows us to see the crossover of the different exponential moving averages interpreted on the chart with a cross. You can follow the video to see how I adjust the settings. I like trading on a clean chart with the minimum indicators possible. The more complicated the chart is, the less chances for the traders to spot a good setup. I just want to add that the indicators are there to help you analyzing the chart from a different angle. Unlike what many beginners think, most of the professional traders use simple indicators or even don't use them at all. You can watch the live trading experiences we have made to trade MACD and Bollinger Band, where we just used one indicator, along with the key levels and fundamental news. The 2 videos were a perfect example of some of the ways I trade Forex. Let's discuss the trading rules. The strategy relies on 2 elements, the plot background of the Ichimoku cloud and the 2 exponential moving averages 50 and 100 periods. We will buy when the 50 EMA crosses above the 100 EMA, provided that the price is above the Ichimoku cloud and the entry point will be the top of the following candle. On the other hand, we will go short when the 50 EMA crosses below the 100 EMA line, provided that the price is below the Ichimoku cloud, and the entry point will be the bottom of the following candle. Feel free to stop the video for a while to look at the two snapshots. You can also notice that for both cases, the stop-loss level is set exactly at the crossover position. We will test trading 5 Forex pairs on the 15 minutes time frame. Kindly notice the Ichimoku cloud works best on the high time frames. The risk-to-reward ratio will be 1:3. Always remember to trade with a positive ratio, which will give you an edge that will increase your chances of making profit at the end of the month. You can watch the video where I shared the basic rules that I teach my students that differentiate a successful trader from a gambler. The last rule is to avoid trading when the crossover happens within the Ichimoku cloud. Before we start backtesting, let's look at these two examples that we have selected from the chart. We will look for the crosses on the chart and see where the cloud is positioned. If it is below the cloud, we will go short. On the other hand, if the 50 exponential moving average crosses above the 100 EMA, we will go long if the cloud is below the crossover. Let's start backtesting now. You can find the link to download the trading journal template in the video description. And if you enjoy this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up to help this channel grow. I will fast forward the video to save your time and to answer some of the questions that you guys have asked in the comment section. Feel free to leave your question in the comment section so I can answer them in the coming videos. You can notice that we are using a volume size of 5 microlots, which is suitable for a $100 account. I always stress on the importance of managing an account with a proper leverage and volume size. Once the amount of risk in terms of the number of pips is known, it is possible to determine the potential loss of capital. The general rule is that we should never risk more than 3% of trading capital. The longer you stay in the market, the more chances you will have to make profit, and the 1-3 edge will help you growing your account, even with a strategy success rate below 50%. Persis, who is one of our beloved subscribers here, suggested us to do a small account challenge where we deposit a small amount of money into our account and try to grow it slowly. I personally love this idea. How much money do you suggest me to deposit? Do you want me to test any special strategy or do you want it to be flexible? Let me know in the comments section. What format do you want me to adopt in this challenge? Other than that, we have received many comments from you guys asking about the second part of the 100% win strategy. Please notice that we are still testing it under different scenarios and can't wait to release the second part of the experience. On the other hand, we have shared the price calculator as per your request, so you can have the opportunity to give the strategy a try, but we suggest you use your demo account for more practice. We have just finished the back testing. The process took around 1 hour 15 minutes. Well, after 100 tests, we have managed to make $86.85, and the success rate recorded was 51%. So we managed to grow the account from $100 to $186.85. The strategy seems to work, and the highest success rate was recorded while trading the Euro-USD pair, and the lowest success rate goes to the USD-JPY and Euro-Pound. I can tell that the strategy works as we managed to make some profit, and I only noticed one occasion where we recorded 3 consecutive losses when we were trading the Aussie dollar. This strategy is lacking some fundamental and key levels analysis to make it stronger and more profitable. Well, as a surprise to those who want to adopt this trading strategy, I will make a live trading video where I trade this strategy using the key levels, fundamental analysis and other elements. We will go through the market analysis, identifying a high probability setup, place a live trade, and monitor the screen together. This experience will give you an idea about my style of trading as a full-time trader and how I increase the success probability of any strategy setup. If you enjoy this content, kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow and give this video a thumbs up so we could continue making similar content. Feel free to check out the other strategies that we have tested earlier on this channel. Thanks for watching and happy trading.